Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look into 5 charts today. And this is an example through which you can also look into your own other altcoin charts. And I will also take certain requests. Either I will come live later or I will make a special altcoin chart request video. But what I want to show you today is to help you analyze when we will be completely bullish, whether we are in a bull trap, and how can you take maximum benefit out of this market movements. So I hope I can be of some help to you, and you guys have read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you take any investment decisions. So let us jump directly into charts. And the first chart we are going to look at is Bitcoin. And for Bitcoin to be bullish on the daily, this is a daily chart in front of us. It needs to flip $48,700 price into support. Now, what do I mean by support? By support, you can see over here, whenever price drops, this price acts as support, so we get a bounce from here. So to be completely bullish on the daily time frame, we need this price as support. So whenever we drop, this should act as support. That means price should go up, and when we come down, this should act as support. That will be flipping of support. It's not just breaking out of this price, but it should stay above this. So that is what I mean by support. And this price needs to flip into support on the daily time frame if we want to be bullish on the daily. You see, except for just the price, there are two important resistance for Bitcoin. One is this 200 EMA that you see in the red line, and the green line is 21 EMA. So currently we are going to face resistance from both these EMAs, which is at 45,000 and 49,000. But within few days, this 200 EMA might also come down to 48,700, which is our price. You see how important this price is, because over here we came down, we retested, and this was the breakdown. This was an important price, this zone, 48 to 49,000 zone, for the whole of 2021, whenever we were going for new all-time high. So for us to go again back to the range of higher 50s and higher 60s and even new all-time high, we need this price to flip into support. So we need this price to hold, and that's for that Bitcoin needs to flip this area into support. Unless and until we don't flip it into support, we are not bullish on the daily. What I mean is, suppose we break this price, and when we come down, we don't hold it over here, then the chance of coming down or going even lower are not unreasonable. It is likely to go lower, because ultimately we will create a lower high, then we can come down and create another lower low. So for that to avoid, we need to flip this price zone into support, because ultimately this is a high and we have to create a new all-time high. So for that, we need this price zone to be flipped into support, which currently will act as resistance because it was a previous support. So this is very important. And similarly, I will share some other charts with you with the similar pattern. So what I mean is, whatever price I share, they are important price that we need to flip into support. We just don't need to break it, but we also need to hold it once we have broken out of it. So 48,700 is for Bitcoin as of today. With every new weekly close, this price can also change, vary, but this is an important zone, 48,700. For Ethereum, it is 39,77. So almost $4,000. This is an important price for Ethereum. We need to flip it into support on the daily for us to resume bullish on this chart of Ethereum. For Solana, it is $186. We need to flip this into support for us to be again bullish on Solana on the daily time frame. For VRA, it is 0.042. This needs to flip into support. You see, this was the pump of that Brightcove partnership. And even with such good partnership announcement, we got rejected from this price. So this price, breaking this price into support is very important. We need to break it and then hold it. So we need to first create a higher high. This breakout should be higher than this price. And then when we come down, we need to flip this price into support for us to be again bullish on the daily chart for VRA. Hence, 0.042 is an important price point for VRA right now to break. You see, it has been previous resistance for a long time. Then finally, we flipped it into support and we created a new all-time high. We have again broken it and we again need to flip it into support. And the last chart in this video is BNB. We need to flip $550 into support for us to be completely bullish on the daily. So this was a quick video to help you analyze and realize where the market is right now. We are of course due for a short pump and we have started this pump, and I had shared this scenario on Twitter. But I hope this video makes much more sense to you and it helps you. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Bye bye.